No matter where I grew up, Kuwait, California, Egypt, or Austria, football was my constant. It was the universal language that connected me to the world, a game of passion, unity, and fair play. But right now, football is stained with blood, and we can't stay silent. Israel is committing a live-stream genocide in Gaza, and yet their national team struts through UEFA qualifiers, their clubs chase European glory, their players sign big contracts, and it's an abomination. And the Game Over Israel campaign is finally here to end that, by pressuring football federations in Europe to boycott Israel, kick them out of the game, and ban their players.
Y creo que las organizaciones deportivas deben plantearse si es ético que Israel siga participando en competiciones internacionales. ¿Por qué se expulsó a Rusia tras la invasión de Ucrania y no se expulsa a Israel tras la invasión de Gaza?
This isn't just a dream. It's a plan that will work if we lean into our collective humanity and collective action. The United Nations Independent International Commission of Inquiry has ruled that since October 7, 2023, Israel has committed genocide against Palestinians in Gaza, killings, causing serious bodily and mental harm, inflicting conditions to destroy life, preventing births, all with the explicit intent to erase Palestinians. They say, quote, Israeli authorities and security forces have the genocidal intent to destroy Palestinians. Leaders like Netanyahu, Herzog, and Gallant have incited it, and the State of Israel is responsible for this crime. Over 800 athletes murdered, 421 footballers, half of them kids. 90% of Gaza's sports infrastructure obliterated, the Palestinian Football Association headquarters in ruins. Just this week, 17-year-old footballer Mohamed Ramez al-Sultan was killed, along with his entire family. Yet FIFA and UEFA do nothing. Gianni Infantino, hiding in Trump Tower, ignores the cries for justice, cozying up to Trump's pro-Israel agenda with White House visits and trophy stunts. UEFA's Scheferin claims he's against bans, but Russia was out in just a matter of days for invading Ukraine. The hypocrisy reeks. So the red card from the top, it's not coming. But we don't need Infantino. We don't need UEFA. We need each other. So here's the plan. The Game Over Israel campaign is a global coalition, pro-Palestine groups, fan clubs, ex-players like Eric Cantona, and human rights leaders like Richard Falk, targeting football federations in Belgium, France, Ireland, Italy, Norway, Spain, plus England, Greece, and Scotland. Why? Because their presidents have the power to boycott Israel's national team, reject their clubs, and ban their players for actions bringing disrepute, like war crimes. These aren't politicians. They're administrators who crumble under pressure. And we've seen it work. In 2022, a dozen federations boycotted Russia within a matter of days, forcing FIFA and UEFA to ban them from Euros, World Cups, everything. So why not Israel? So this campaign will succeed, because history proves it. When federations act, the dominoes fall. 6 European countries boycott, and Israel's out. FIFA caves under empty schedules. The Olympics will follow, just like apartheid South Africa's exile. And it's already happening. Even Eurovision is seeing boycotts brewing. This isn't just hope, it's an inevitability. And here's why it will work. Because football is our collective soul.